1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we're going to have a look at how to use be a pain. We use be a pain for something that is annoying or bothersome. For example, the elevator in my building is broken, so I have to take the stairs. It's such a pain. I lost my wallet. Now I have to get a new ID and credit cards. It's such a pain. We can also use be a pain to talk about people that are difficult to deal with. My boss is a pain. He complains about everything. My coworker never stops talking. He's such a pain. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using be a pain and leave it in the comments below.